Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for all you iPad Pro users out there. What to do when the iPad Pro is not charging using a power bank. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries behind this issue and, more importantly, how to fix it. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Let's jump right into the first step of the troubleshooting process, verifying the functionality of your power bank. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your power bank is working properly. Connect your power bank to another device like a smartphone that you know is working. If the device charges without any issues, your power bank is likely functional. If it doesn't charge the device, it's a clear sign that your power bank might be faulty. Also, take a look at the power bank's output. A typical iPad Pro requires a substantial power delivery output, ideally around 18 watts or higher. So ensure your power bank can deliver the necessary power to charge the iPad Pro effectively. Step 2 of our troubleshooting guide is to use an alternative charging cable. When it comes to charging problems, the cable can be a real culprit. Sometimes, faulty cables can be the root cause of charging woes. By switching to a reliable cable, you might find that your iPad Pro starts charging without a hitch. Step 3 of our iPad Pro charging troubleshooting guide is to try different USB ports. Sometimes it's not the cable, but the port that's causing the hiccup. If your cable and iPad Pro are in the clear, but you're still facing charging problems, it's time to consider the USB ports on your power bank. Some ports might be better than others, and this simple step can make a big difference. If you're currently using one USB port on your power bank, try switching to a different one. The fourth step is to check your iPad Pro's charging port. Over time, dust, debris, and even moisture can accumulate, causing connection problems. Gently remove any visible debris or dust from the port. It's essential to be careful and gentle to avoid damaging the delicate components. Lastly, you need to make sure that your iPad Pro is running on the latest software update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can help with charging issues. And there you have it, folks. We've covered all the troubleshooting steps to get your iPad Pro charging smoothly with a power bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.